Where would Jamaica stand in a U.S.-China conflict? Well, according to Prime Minister Andrew Holness, Jamaica is in too much of a financial crisis to cut ties with either of the two countries. Speaking on U.S. media outlet Bloomberg TV today, Mr. Holness suggested that the possible dilemma could be fixed if the United States increased funding in Jamaica. Kalisha Williams has that story.
The U.S. went to war with China. What umbrella are you under?
A concerned United States ambassador to Jamaica, Donald Tapia, speaking to the Gleaner in December. Fast forward to January 8, while speaking on Bloomberg TV, Prime Minister Andrew Holness was again asked how the country would navigate a complete fallout between China and the United States.
Jamaica has always maintained a strong support for multilateralism. And when there is a divide with the big and the rich countries, the smaller countries suffer.
Mr. Holness stressed that the COVID-19 pandemic has hit Jamaica hard and foreign investments will have to be sought to cushion the fallout. And so, it's hard for Jamaica to pick sides.
And Jamaica understands the orbit in which we are. We are in the backyard of the United States, so to speak. Our economy is intrinsically and inextricably linked to the United States. And so we will always be very close to the United States and very much aligned with policies of the United States. But we have also struck a very good investment and trade relation with China.
However, according to Mr. Holness, the possible dilemma that Jamaica could find itself in can be prevented.
With an increase in attention and spending in this region by the United States. And I think that would eliminate any concerns that there could be. Again, I would say that countries like Jamaica, we can't rely on deficit financing and borrowing. And so we have to look for foreign investment and locally generated investments from our private sector.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.